to commemorate the historical meeting between U.S. President Donald Trump and Supreme Leader Kim Jong-Un, the White House gift shop is offering this striking enamel-painted clad metal medallion. Each metal medallion is sequentially edge-numbered and registered for absolute collection value. There is a corresponding serial-numbered certificate of authenticity with each medallion. They are 2¼ inches in diameter and 3/16 inch thick. The edges are scalloped. The obverse is matte silver with brightly colored enamel painted portions. The center background is depicting the flags for both the United States and North Korea, with the profile images of both President Donald J. Trump and also Kim Jong-Un. Under each profile is the leader's national symbol. Along the encircling outside red ring at the top, you will find the inscriptions of the year 2018 bookended between 2 olive branches, and at the bottom, 2 olive branches bookending the phrase "Peace Talks" written in the Korean language. The red ring will also contain the names of each leader's nation. Within the white ring will be the inscribed name and titles for each of the leaders, and at the bottom center the inscription "Peace Talks." The reverse features a background globe with lat-long lines, on top of which is the frontal view of the White House. Above is a white-colored dove flying off with an olive branch. Above that, a scroll with the inscription "Historic" in English and the word "Peace" written in Korean. The inner blue ring has 4 inscriptions divided by stars, which read "New Era," "New Generation," "New Hope," and "New Leadership." The outer red ring has inscribed South Korean President Moon Jae-in and North Korean leader Kim Jong-Un signed the Panmunjom Declaration for Peace, Prosperity, and Unification of the Korean Peninsula, April 27, 2018. But where did the idea of this medallion come from? For those who have served in the armed forces, you will already be familiar with challenge coins. But for those who may not know about them, let me briefly explain. A challenge coin, usually made of clad metal, is uniquely designed by each unit, commonly displaying their insignia or emblem. It's usually awarded by the commander in recognition of special achievement by a member of the unit, and are highly sought after and collected by service members. They are also sometimes exchanged in recognition of visits with other organizations, especially foreign ones. Traditionally, they are presented to prove membership when challenged and to enhance morale. So what is the challenge all about? The tradition of a challenge is the most common way to ensure that members are carrying their unit's coin, and the challenge only applies to members that were formally presented the coin by their unit. The coin challenge is meant to be a source of morale and esprit de corps. A challenge can be made at any time by someone taking their coin and slapping it down on the table or the bar as hard as they can, making as much noise as possible. Now the challenge is initiated, and all members who have been awarded the same coin must present their coins, usually noisily slapping them down on the table or bar to further identify that the challenge is underway. If a unit member fails to produce their coin, they must buy a round of drinks for every member with their coin presented. However, if everyone challenged produces their coin, the challenger must buy a round of drinks for the group. Whenever the president travels, there is always quite an entourage, including military members that must accompany him. When the president travels overseas, the White House Communications Agency, WHCA, began the tradition in 2003 of having a limited number of challenge coins made and exclusively presented to the members who supported the Commander-in-Chief's trip. Here is a picture of one of only 250 official WHCA coins made to commemorate the Korean Peace Talk Summit. These coins are exclusively procured through the White House gift shop, which is not government controlled, but is officially trademarked to a private entity and sanctioned by the Permanent Memorandum of President Harry S. Truman and members of the United States Secret Service on 16 December 1950. It should be noted that both the official White House Communications Agency coin and the White House gift shop medallion were designed by the same artist. The quality is quite comparable, and the finished product is quite pleasing to the eye. This medallion is part of a 5-piece set entitled In Historic Moments collection, but you should be aware that there are 2 versions of the #1 design. There is the Korean Singapore Summit Limited and Edge-numbered medallion, which is part of the Historic Moments collection that comes with a matching serial numbered certificate of authenticity. And then there is the #1 SK First Coin Unnumbered SK Issue Summit in Historic Moments Coin Collection medallion. These medallions have an SK etched into the edge of each piece instead of the serial number. They also have a certificate of authenticity, but in lieu of the serial number, each certificate has the SK on it. Other than the serial number or SK edge mark, there is no design difference noted. So be careful when making a purchase that you are buying the product that you're looking for. These medallions initially were offered at $24.95 and briefly lowered to $19.95 when the summit was postponed. Then the price stabilized at $39.95 for some time. A recent check to the White House gift shop website had the edge-numbered coins priced at $100 and the SK version temporarily reduced to $75. My thoughts about this medallion. The medallion has no precious metals value, so that's a big hit for me. I'm not a big fan of painted bullion products, but with that said, this isn't bullion and not pretending to be. It's a token to commemorate a historical event. So in this context, I feel the Korean Peace Talk Summit medallion does offer a value to its collector. It's a very smart looking piece, reasonably well designed and manufactured, and serves the purpose for which it was created. Anything that has a limited mintage, serialized, and a certificate of authenticity from a reputable source does have the potential for historic premium value increase. The White House said Monday that talks are underway with North Korea over setting up a second summit meeting between President Trump and leader Kim Jong-Un as the two sides seek to put stalled nuclear negotiations back on track. If these peaceful talks result in a peaceful, unified Korean peninsula, and President Trump is awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts, these first-issue commemorative medallions could reach a significant value. What are your thoughts about the Korean Peace Talk Summit medallion? Do you think it's worth buying one to commemorate the remembrance of such a potentially global historical event? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you to all who support this channel, and especially to those who take the time to like and comment. I don't monetize my channel, so every like and subscription really helps to expose my channel to others. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and then select the notification bell to ensure you receive a notice as soon as I post up new content. Feel free to like and share this content as well. Check out my website at www.silvertorch66.com for silver articles, videos, music, and more. I'm on Steemit now, so stop by and visit me at my Steemit site.